Hi, welcome to the CartsPlus showroom here in Kelowna. My name is Erwin. I'm going to introduce you to a new series of 2021 EZGO RXVs that we are refurbishing in-house. They're refurbished from the frame up. Everything in the front end is rebuilt and restored to original condition and then repainted. We use the original metallic body, and we've added a lot of new components. On this model, we've added new headlights and new taillights, new mirrors, new windshield, new floor mat, and a new rain cover. What we do reuse is the original cooler, and we reuse the original sand bottle. These units are great value. They're under $10,000. They come with a no Samsung SDI battery, the original battery. Samsung extends the warranty for another 3 years on these. So you can buy a great golf cart that has lights and is fully outfitted under $10,000 here in our Kelowna showroom, or you can have it shipped to you anywhere in BC or Alberta. Thanks for dropping by.